I'm back on a new game. Coin Trio Piggy Wiggly Burst. See what happens. Just put it in the hand. $68. See what happens. Get about 5 spins, 6 spins. Let's get a full screen, full loaded. It's the first time I ever played this ever in life, so we're gonna hire in the room doing this. Let's see what they do. Let's see this piggy squealing hand peg. Jackpot, jackpot. Big jackpot. Big jackpot. Big. Big. See a big one. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Big shit. It's a big shit. Let's get started. See what happens. Crazy high. 115. Okay. Quick 115, alright. So 115 right there, just like I said, you get a lot of money. Crazy thing. So, first time playing this shit, 6 games, 115. So we're on a 5-day winning streak, so let's see what happens. Alright, so we have $80. Let's keep it moving. Alright, got some sort of feature going. Wiggly feature. It's at 16. I put in 200. We got 200 in now. Let's see what happens. Let's see it go crazy. Big stuff. Big jackpot. This pig drops a big one. I don't know how this game plays, I've never played it before. Hopefully you see some big shit pop out. Full screen. All coins. Come on, load it up. Load it. Big coins. This one, load it up. Load up the jackpot. See a jackpot pop out. You can do it, man. Load it up. Jackpot. Pop it up. Come on, piggy. Get fat. Fatten up that piggy. Full screen. Come on. Load the whole screen. Major. Come on. Big. Come on, fill it up. Fill that screen up again. All the way, fill it up. All the way up. You can do it, fill it up. Drop it. Okay, not that time. I don't know what's gonna pay. I never played this before. Let's see. Hopefully it pays big, though. Okay, 212, nothing crazy. Basically, I got my money back. Alright, 212, send me my money back plus $28. Alright, here we go, back in the feature again. So let's see what happens. Haven't got the blue one yet. Let's see the blue one go big. Major. Let's see it go crazy. Major, minor. Let's see it drop big. Let's see it drop a full screen on it. Come on, keep going. Keep going. See it go big as it possibly go. Fill up the whole screen with big coins. Big ones. Drop some big boy. big ass coins today. See the magic happen. Magic, jackpot magic, come on. Big coins. Jackpot magic, full screen, load it up. Big coins. Jackpot magic. Grand, come on. Let's get that grand for $123,000. Let's go up. Jackpot. Come on, let's see it go. Let's see it do some magic. Big full screen. Come on, fill it up. Do it. Hey, there we go. Keep it alive. One more. Fill it up. Full screen. Screen full. Feature completed. It's the third time I got into this bonus. I'm getting busy. A lot of people hitting big over here. The match happened. Oh, this 223 up the place. So I'm up 147. Alright, so now we're in the profit at 147. Y'all get cash out. We're gonna go up 147. Alright, pal, game number 2. Switched it up to Dragon Cash. See what happens. $10 a bet. $10 a bet on the Dragon Cash. $200 with the screen. So let's see, full screen. $200. See what happens. Full screen, big. See it go big. One full screen, major, minor. Bang. More free games, all the above. Wow, there we go. That's some money right there. There we go. We got some money going on. That was a good hit right there. Those flowers connected. So, not sure what it's hitting for, but it's game number 2. So, I don't know how many spins, maybe 20 spins, maybe. I was up 147 earlier in the game over there, remember? So I was up 147, but now I'm up. And now I'm up. Put in 200. So let's see what we do. Let's see the magic. Now, the win is 371. 593, so I'm up 393. So winning got 593. So there it is. It's up 393. So lucky we're gonna cash out. Go up 393 right quick. That's not bad. You know, a little something, cash out, take a good win, walk away. That's the key to this shit. The key to fucking victory. You gotta walk away. Take your money and walk the fuck away. I just made a quick $393. Walk away. And I'm on a 6-day winning streak. So day 6 in the profit. In the high little room getting busy. So that's how we do it. Gotta stay focused and believe you can win it. Take your small wins and get on. Come back another day and keep it moving. You can, and the money will add up. Promise you make some good money. I took a win, got a profit going, 393. It got me on a 6-game winning streak, so that's not bad. On my last 13 games, I'm 12-1. All right, so I won 6 straight, took a loss, and then I bounced back with 6 straight wins just now. So, you know, using my method, you take a win, you walk away. You take a win, you walk away. you will run up a bankroll fast. This is the fastest way you can go on a consistent winning streak to where you make good money at the casino, okay? You don't gotta try to do it all in one day. Don't try to do it all in one day. Just be patient, take your time. If you take your time, that's just gonna crack for you. When it cracks for you, you're gonna be happy, you're gonna be grateful. You're making a lot of money at the casino, okay? This is how I do it. You know, everybody has their own way of doing it, but for me, this is the way that works. And I started small, just doing $5 and $10 bets. That's it, and then you build up a bankroll. Now I played 2 machines. Played one machine until it hit, took $200. Got off and played another machine. Put in that profit that I had made. It was like $147. Put that in, plus the 200 that I had, and then I hit real quick on that one, like 20 spins or so, and then just like that, pow, and I go up 393. And if you just keep going like that, you'll keep making money consistently, and you'll make thousands of dollars. I'm telling you, real fast. You'll be shocked. Go straight to the high limit room and stay off the floor. We on the floor mobbing around, dropping these gems, giving the game. Okay, hit something right there. There you go. But that was on a $2 bet. Now, if that was on like a $5 bet or 10 or 20 or 100, I would have went crazy. But this is how you build up a bankroll. So I'm just building up bankrolls so then you can afford to play big, and I pull up with a good sized bankroll is my next advice too, because you got to have enough money to stomach the losses or whatever. So I'm doing $5 and $10 bets with a $1,000 bankroll, okay? So that's what I do with a 500. I come with a 500 to $1,000 bankroll, and that's how I move with it. Anything over 1,000, that's what I would recommend, to do bigger bets, like 20s and higher than that, 20s, 50s, 100. But you need at least 2 racks or 3 or 4 to play like that. But go on a consistent winning streak, I promise you, you're gonna make your money in the casino. Straight like that. Take your wins, walk away, leave, come back another day. And you could do this shit 7 days out the week. That's how I'm moving with it. So it's time for me to get up out of here. So with that being said, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off with crazy powerful casino method gems, spontaneous productions. On my goals, what up? Let's get it. We're here blasting off. We always do.
Spontaneous.